Hi, I am Kumran from Salem, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality control and quality assurance in building inspection, which is essential in oil and gas industries. I am going to perform this video for World Skill Council certification. Now I am going to perform magnetic particle testing, which is a part of from NDT. In this we are using welding object and solvent cleaner, white contrast paint and magnetic medium, magnetic yoke and pi gauge. Before testing the object must be cleaned by using solvent cleaner. After cleaning the specimen, we want to apply white contrast paint. After applying the white contrast paint, we want to check the magnetic yoke is working or not by using pi gauge. Before that, we want to apply small amount of white contrast paint in pi gauge to identify the machine is working or not. And after applying white color contrast paint, we want to apply magnetic medium. Before that, there are two modes in magnetic yoke, which is AC and DC. I am going to switch DC. Now indication is stored, machine is working properly. Now we are going to identify the cracks in welding specimen by using magnetic medium. Now I found some defects in cracks in welding specimen. They are similarly these are cracks. Then next procedure is cleaning, post cleaning. Magnetic particle testing is completed. Thank you.